Dive into how our meal voucher magnet creates a win-win-win for companies, their staff, and merchants all in one. Zapper's meal vouchers act as digital tokens that staff can use at any one of the selected eateries. They're simple to use with a quick scan at the point of sale and are great for treating your hardworking staff to a host of amazing food. Since early 2019, our corporate clients have embraced these vouchers. Every month, around 1,250 staff members enjoy the perk, with up to 750 vouchers redeemed daily. That's over 16,500 happy dining experiences created each month. Our network spans a truly amazing range of top-notch eateries, ensuring every meal, as well as vegetarian, vegan, or halal, is a delightful experience for your staff. These vouchers, tailored for daily use, are automatically assigned at a ring-fenced set of participating merchants. They're also partially redeemable should the consumer want to buy a coffee in the morning and then spend the rest later for lunch. They don't carry over on any given day, but they do bring immediate joy and satisfaction. For corporates, it's a smart choice. They only pay a fixed admin fee or a percentage of the redeemed amount, making it a cost-effective way to reward their teams. For merchants, it's a no-brainer. Join the meal voucher revolution with Zapper.